Welcome to the comprehensive 10-step guide on how to fix a computer. Computers have become an essential part of our daily lives, and encountering technical issues can be frustrating. Whether your computer is not turning on, running slow, or displaying error messages, this guide will provide you with a systematic approach to troubleshooting and resolving common computer problems. In this guide, we will cover various aspects of computer repair, from identifying the problem to performing software updates, checking hardware connections, and even seeking professional help when needed. By following these steps, you'll gain the knowledge and skills to effectively diagnose and fix issues that may arise with your computer. We'll begin by helping you identify the problem at hand. Understanding the specific issue is crucial for finding the appropriate solution. From there, we'll guide you through essential steps such as backing up your data, restarting your computer, and running antivirus and malware scans to ensure a clean and secure system. Keeping your software up to date is vital for optimal performance and security. We'll explain how to update your operating system, software applications, and device drivers to avoid compatibility issues and take advantage of the latest features and enhancements. Hardware connections can often be the source of problems. We'll show you how to inspect and secure all physical connections, including cables and peripherals, to ensure everything is properly connected. Regular maintenance is essential for the longevity of your computer. We'll discuss the importance of cleaning your computer, removing dust and debris that can impede airflow and cause overheating. We'll also cover steps for repairing or replacing faulty hardware components if necessary. In some cases, software-related issues may require a system restore or even reinstalling the operating system. We'll guide you through these procedures, emphasizing the importance of backing up your data beforehand. Finally, we'll touch on the importance of seeking professional help when you've exhausted all troubleshooting steps or encounter complex issues that require specialized expertise. Professional computer repair technicians can diagnose and fix problems beyond the scope of this guide. By following this comprehensive guide, you'll have the tools and knowledge to troubleshoot and resolve common computer problems effectively. Remember, computer repairs can vary in complexity, and not all issues can be resolved without professional assistance. If you're unsure or uncomfortable with any step, don't hesitate to seek the help of a qualified technician. Step 1. Identify the problem. Start by identifying the specific issue with your computer. Is it not turning on? Is it running slow? Are there error messages? Understanding the problem will help you find the appropriate solution. Step 2. Back up your data. Before attempting any repairs, it's crucial to back up your important files and data. This ensures that you won't lose any valuable information during the repair process. Step 3. Restart your computer. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix minor software glitches or temporary issues. Restart your computer and see if the problem persists. If it does, proceed to the next steps. Step 4. Run antivirus and malware scans. Scan your computer for viruses, malware, and other malicious software. Use reputable antivirus software to detect and remove any threats that might be causing issues. Step 5. Update software and drivers. Outdated software or drivers can cause compatibility issues and performance problems. Update your operating system, software applications, and device drivers to their latest versions to ensure optimal performance and compatibility. Step 6. Check hardware connections. Inspect the physical connections of your computer, including cables, cords, and peripherals. Ensure that everything is securely connected. Loose or faulty connections can lead to various computer issues. Step 7. Clean your computer. Dust accumulation can hinder proper airflow and cause overheating. Use compressed air or a soft brush to clean the dust from your computer's internal components, including fans and vents. This can help improve performance and prevent overheating-related problems. Step 8. Repair or replace hardware. If you've identified a faulty hardware component, such as a malfunctioning hard drive or a defective RAM module, you may need to repair or replace it. Consult the appropriate technical documentation or seek professional help if you're not comfortable with hardware repairs. Step 9. Perform system restore or reinstall operating system. If your computer is experiencing major issues or software-related problems, performing a system restore to a previous working state or reinstalling the operating system can help resolve the issues. Remember to back up your data before proceeding with these steps. Step 10. Seek professional help. If you've followed all the previous steps and the problem persists, it might be time to seek professional assistance. Computer repair technicians can diagnose and fix complex hardware or software issues that require specialized knowledge and tools. In conclusion, this comprehensive 10-step guide has provided you with a structured approach to fix common computer issues. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and resolve a wide range of problems, from software glitches to hardware malfunctions. We began by emphasizing the importance of identifying the problem accurately, as this forms the foundation for finding the right solution. We then covered crucial steps such as backing up your data, restarting the computer, and running antivirus scans to ensure a clean and secure system. Updating your software and drivers is essential for optimal performance and compatibility. Regular maintenance, including cleaning the computer and checking hardware connections, helps prevent issues caused by dust accumulation and loose connections. Repairing or replacing faulty hardware components may be necessary in some cases, and we provided guidance on approaching these tasks. Additionally, we discussed system restore and operating system reinstallation as potential solutions for persistent software-related problems. Lastly, we acknowledge that professional help may be required for complex issues or when all troubleshooting steps have been exhausted. Skilled computer repair technicians possess the expertise and tools to diagnose and resolve challenging problems effectively. Remember, prevention is key to maintaining a healthy computer. Implementing routine maintenance, staying updated with software patches, practicing safe browsing habits, and investing in quality hardware can minimize the occurrence of future issues. By equipping yourself with the knowledge and skills outlined in this guide, you can confidently tackle various computer problems and save both time and money. However, it is important to exercise caution and seek professional assistance if you feel uncertain or uncomfortable with any step. Computers play a vital role in our personal and professional lives, and being able to fix common issues empowers you to maintain a smooth and efficient computing experience. Embrace the learning process, stay proactive in your computer's maintenance, and enjoy the benefits of a well-functioning system. Keywords: fix a computer, troubleshooting, problem-solving, software updates, hardware maintenance, data backup, antivirus scans, system restore, operating system reinstallation, professional help, computer repair, preventive measures, routine maintenance, software compatibility, hardware repair, computing experience.